Cheers. I win. Let's make some salmon. So let's talk about an indirect setup for the Weber Kettle. You can use this for any grill that you want to cook indirectly on, okay? Just like you see me do many times before, I use briquettes or char logs. Today I got lump charcoal over here. The operation is going to be the same. The only difference with using lump versus briquettes or logs is that the char logs and the briquettes last longer. We're gonna grill up some salmon today. This is all we need. So, hot charcoal over the top of some unlit charcoal, and we're gonna get started. And right now we're gonna put the grates on. We're gonna let that get hot, and this is gonna run us over an hour to get our salmon smoked, and we got some chicken breasts that we're gonna grill up on there as well. So when I'm doing the Weber indirect, I like to have that little door over the charcoal. That way I can add my wood chunks over it. So we want a couple wood chunks for smoke. Now we're gonna start with the bottom vents wide open and the top vents wide open, and the top vents opposite the hot side. We're gonna let that come up to temp. Once it gets to about 275 on the lid, we're gonna start backing down our vents. But let's prep the salmon. Now we're gonna char up our planks, and these are alder planks, so we're gonna char them up for a couple minutes over the charcoal. We got some garlic butter right here. And the fish right here real quick. Alright, so this salmon is ready. Let's check it out. Beautiful. Alright, so you're looking for internal temp of about 145. I'm going to pull this right now. Right down here is the thin side, so we're going to pull this off and let it rest, and then we're ready.